Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share my complete personal journey of learning English with ChatGPT, from knowing almost nothing to speaking English fluently and confidently. This is not just a story about learning a language. This is a story about fear, discipline, technology, and believing in yourself. When I started learning English, I was a complete beginner. I couldn't form proper sentences. I didn't understand grammar rules. My vocabulary was very limited. I was afraid to speak because I didn't want people to laugh at me or judge my mistakes. Every time I tried to speak English, I felt nervous and unsure. I tried different ways to learn English before. I watched videos, read books, and used mobile apps. But I didn't feel real improvement because I had no one to practice speaking with. I needed a teacher, a partner, and someone who could correct me, and that is when I found ChatGPT. I started using ChatGPT as my personal English teacher, conversation partner, and coach. I practiced English every single day, sometimes for 15 minutes, sometimes for 1 hour, but I never skipped a day. In this video, I will show you exactly how I started from zero, how I used ChatGPT daily, what kind of questions I asked, how I practiced speaking, how I learned grammar, how I built confidence, how I stayed motivated. ChatGPT allowed me to practice without fear. I could make mistakes freely. I could ask the same question many times. I could practice real conversations like ordering food, talking about my life. Job interviews, traveling, daily conversations, phone calls, small talk, professional English. This made my learning natural and practical, not just theoretical. I explained how ChatGPT helped me correct my grammar and sentence structure, improve my pronunciation and vocabulary, teach me expressions used by native speakers, create exercises for speaking, listening, and writing, turn my mistakes into lessons, help me think in English, build confidence day by day. I also talk honestly about my struggles. There were days when I felt tired. There were days when I felt stupid. There were days when I thought English was too hard. There were days when I wanted to quit, but I kept going because I had a clear goal to speak English confidently. My daily English routine, my weekly learning plan, the prompts I used, my biggest mistakes, what slowed me down, what helped me improve faster, how long it took to see real results, how my mindset changed. This video is for you if you are a beginner. You feel shy to speak English. You don't have money for courses. You don't have native speakers around you. You feel stuck. You want to improve your life through English. Learning English is not easy, but it is possible. This video will show you that you do not need perfect conditions. You just need a phone or computer, internet, daily practice, patience, courage to make mistakes. ChatGPT became my teacher, partner, coach, motivator. It helped me practice speaking anytime and anywhere. This video is also about using technology in a smart way. Instead of wasting time scrolling social media, I used my time to practice English and improve myself. In this video, you will learn how to turn ChatGPT into your English tutor, how to practice speaking alone, how to correct your grammar, how to learn vocabulary naturally, how to create conversations, how to stay consistent, how to build confidence. I want this video to inspire you to take action today. Do not wait for the perfect time. Do not wait until you feel ready. Start now, even if you know only a few words. Make mistakes, learn from them, practice every day. By the end of this video, you will understand that learning English is not magic. It is a process of small steps every day. Watch this video until the end to see my real progress, my transformation, my lessons, my advice, my motivation, how you can start your journey. If this video helps you, please support the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your support motivates me to make more videos about learning English. Self improvement, motivation, AI tools, personal development. Thank you for being here and watching my story. Always remember, if I learned English with ChatGPT, you can too. Your journey starts today.